Everybody is looking for a little mystery in their life. Let me show you how to get the best ancient adventure of your life at the Great Pyramid of Giza. Welcome to the sands of time, where the Great Pyramid of Giza stands as a testament to ancient engineering genius. Built over 4,500 years ago, this colossal structure was the tallest man-made structure in the world for almost 4,000 years. Imagine that. So how did they do it? Legend has it that it took about 2.3 million stone blocks, each weighing a ton, all transported and assembled without modern machinery. Mind-blowing, right? And get this, it's aligned with the stars. The precision is so spot on, it's like the ancient Egyptians had a blueprint straight from the cosmos. Plus, did you know that the temperature inside the pyramid remains constant at 20 degrees Celsius, no matter how scorching it gets outside? Now that's natural air conditioning for you. So next time you're thinking of a place to visit, remember the Great Pyramid isn't just a pile of stones, it's a gateway to the past, wrapped in mystery and intrigue. Ready to explore?